Welcome back to Taj's Garden. I'm the gardening realtor, and today we're going to be doing a tour of the Myriad Botanical Gardens in Oklahoma City. So that is the conservatory, I believe, and the admission was $5.50 for an adult. Oh, for real? 10. 1, 2.
That's what I do. I make sure I go pick y'all shit up. I hate trash ass shit. Let me rock. Let me rock.
Oh, look at the turtle.
Look at the baby turtle right here, look. Oh, he just came off the rock and run away.
Yeah. You smell it?
Yeah.
Look at this, y'all. This is a bunch of lavender. You can smell it. It smells so good just walking up these steps. Makes me want to take a cutting. Wow. And guys, this is the tallest building between Dallas and Chicago here in Oklahoma City, and there's another tall building that is going to be supposedly built, which is just going to be another one of these on top of that. Can you imagine how tall that is? Beautiful day to go for a walk. Aww, look at the squirrel. I'm not gonna bother you, squirrely. Yeah, for real. Aww, these trees are beautiful. Like, they look like art there. You see the bark? This would be a beautiful place for some pictures. Look at this over here. Oh, for real? Yeah, look at this. This will be beautiful for pictures. People making wishes. Yeah, they got the elephant ears. Ooh, coleus. Yeah. That's why it smells so sweet. These are honeysuckles. I remember as a kid, we would grab these honeysuckles and you would take the little string out of the flower and then eat the wet stuff that came out.
I might have used to do that too. I remember doing that with a certain plant, certain flower.
Yeah, as an adult it sounds nasty, but as a kid, I saw other kids doing it. And then I did it.
In the fall.
Oh, these are baby coleus. Let me know if I'm saying that right. I think I am. But just let me know. This is so pretty. We've seen all we needed to see. Make sure y'all pay for your parking up here because they are They patrol these streets. What are your thoughts on the Botanical Gardens?
It was a beautiful place. It was different. It was nice. Lovely. I liked the water.
What was your favorite part?
The waterfalls.
My favorite part was all of that lavender. It was so beautiful.
Yeah, it
smelled so good.
It did smell good.
If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time.